Can I just eat this little corner
Please
here?
do.
Because it's so darn good.
Today I am doing a mac and cheese waffle, but we're gonna make it a sandwich. So we're gonna start by making a bechamel. You taught me how to make my first bechamel.
I know how to do that. Butter.
So we have the butter in there melting. We have equal parts butter and flour. We're gonna whisk that. And why are we whisking?
We're whisking it to take the rawness of the flour out of the sauce. If you don't whisk it for at least a minute, you will have a very pasty tasting.
It tastes like flour.
Exactly.
So I like to add a little bit of smoked paprika. It gives it a tiny little bit of bite. Some Dijon, and then we have our milk, and we have 4 different cheeses. Today I have fontina, white cheddar, and yellow cheddar, and a little bit of parm. So Karen is adding in the warm milk, not cold. You don't want to grab it from the fridge. So once the milk has been added to the flour, we're going to add the cheese and slowly melt it. Behind me, I have a pot of boiling water. I'm just gonna add 1 pound of elbows. You don't have to use elbows, it's kind of the classic. You could use any small pasta shape, but because we're gonna be pressing it in the waffle iron, I think elbows work the best. I'm gonna do the paprika first, just about a half, and then our Dijon.
Smoked or hot?
I like hot, but I always like hot. You could do bittersweet, or you could do sweet. It's up to you. Just gonna add a little bit of pepper and a pinch of salt. So our pasta is boiling behind us. You wanna cook it al dente because when we press it in the waffle iron, it is gonna cook a little bit more. How are we doing?
All done, boss.
All done. Okay, so we're gonna slowly add in our cheese.
This one is the fontina.
This is the fontina.
Fontina is a really good melting cheese. It just assimilates right into the sauce. There's no oil residual floating.
Perfect. Our pasta is almost done. We're gonna drain it. So we're gonna pour the warm cheese sauce right over the elbows.
Okay.
Don't use all the cheese sauce. You can always boil extra, pop it in the freezer, and it's a delicious treat dinner, or give it to a friend, I don't know, but don't throw that away, it's gold.
How hot do you want this?
That has gotta be smoking hot, so this machine is actually amazing. It'll tell you when it's ready, and the plates are removable. So we're gonna pour this all of it in, and 1 pound of pasta will yield the perfect half sheet pan. So set this in the fridge, it'll solidify and cool. Bada bing, bada boom.
Look at that, magic.
We lift it out. We have one already made and cooled. You can do this 2 days in advance. We're gonna cut these, Karen, in about 4-inch, like so. Our iron is almost ready. And then we're gonna pop these puppies right on. And we're gonna just really press it down. And the cheese is gonna melt. It's gonna get crispy on the outside.
I could eat it just like that.
Me too. And sometimes I do, but we're gonna go all the way today and layer it with some bacon.
Oh yeah, that looks amazing.
Some Ave, our fried egg, little bit of flaky salt, and we're gonna put the top on there.
That looks pretty darn
That
good.
is going to be the winner here.
Awesome! Can I just eat this little corner
Please
here?
do.
Because it's so darn good. Oh my God.
And it's crunchy.
You did good, kid. You did good.
And you broke my waffle. Thank
I
you
know.
so much.
You're welcome.